I want to show you how easy it is to set up your hosting account with WebFusion. The first thing you will want to do is map your domain name to your hosting account. Once a domain name is mapped to your hosting account, this will allow you to put a website on your domain as well as create new email addresses. Once you're logged into your control panel, all you have to do is select My Domains, either from the top tab or from this icon in the main window. Here you'll see a list of your domain names. In this case, I have the domain name dnblogs.net. Now, I'll want to map this to my hosting account. To do this, I can select Mappings, either from the top menu here or from my list of domain tools. All I do is scroll down and select Mappings. From here, I'll get a list of options. First off, I can select my hosting package, which in this case is the Newbie Linux package, as well as which domain I would like to map to the hosting account. Here I'd like to map dnblogs.net to my Newbie Linux hosting account, so with this selected, all I have to do is click Map Domain. It's just that easy. As you can see, it says we've done it and the domain mapping has been successfully created. Now I have the ability to put a website on my domain as well as create email accounts at that domain name. Once your domain name is mapped to your hosting account, it is easy to set up an email account using the WebFusion control panel. To access the email account setup section, you must first log into your hosting account. To do this, simply select My Hosting from your control panel. From here, click the Login button and enter the password corresponding to your hosting account. Once this has been entered, simply click the Login button. You'll now be taken to your hosting account control panel. To create an email address, all you have to do now is select My Email and then Manage Mailboxes. You can then click the button that says Add Mailbox. It's very easy to set up an email account. All you have to do is first pick the domain name. In this case, I'd like it to be at dnblogs.net. If I had multiple domains, I could simply expand this drop-down menu and select which domain I'd like to create the email account at. In this case, I'll create the address morgan@dnblogs.net. I can select options like antivirus and anti-spam, and simply enter my email password twice. Once these options are configured the way I would like, all I have to do is select Create Mailbox. That's it. It's just that easy. I've now created an email address for my new domain name that is mapped to my hosting account. You can see here I have the email address morgan@dnblogs.net, and I can easily update either the antivirus and anti-spam options by selecting a new option. Maybe I'd like the system to alert me if there's a virus, and I could simply click Update. That's it. Now I've updated my account options. It's very easy to create new email accounts and change options on the fly using WebFusion. I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to set up a database-driven website on your WebFusion hosting account. The great thing about WebFusion is that you don't have to be a tech guru to set up a database or upload content to your hosting account. In this example, I'll show you how to set up a hosted WordPress blog on your WebFusion hosting account. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WebFusion hosting control panel and select My Webspace. From here, all you have to do is select My Databases. The first thing that a WordPress site needs is a database configured where it can store all the information. Now, if you don't know SQL or MySQL or any of that, don't worry, because with WebFusion, all you have to do to create a database is simply click the Add Database button. And just like that, your database is created. That's it. I have my username, I have my password, and I have the database server. That's all I need to tell WordPress in order to successfully install WordPress on my hosting account. Well, now I need to upload the WordPress files to my account. Luckily with WebFusion, this is also very easy and can be done with the click of a button. All I have to do is select My Webspace, and from here I can scroll down and either use the File Manager, which will allow me to access my account without using an FTP client. And here you can see I can select where I would like to upload my files, and then all I have to do is select Upload File. What I can also do is use the FTP Manager, which means that I can actually create an FTP account. And in this case, I've created an FTP account so that I can use my favorite FTP client to upload any files that I want onto my hosting account. In this case, all I have to do is download a copy of WordPress and simply upload this to my hosting account. I have all the database information I need, so in a matter of minutes, I'll have a hosted WordPress site running on my WebFusion account. It's just that easy, and you can do it all with a few clicks of a button in the WebFusion hosting control panel.